The journey of Air Force One. It is the most recognizable silhouette in the sky. To the world, it is known simply as Air Force One. But beneath the polished exterior lies a flying fortress, a mobile command center capable of surviving nuclear fallout, a bunker with wings. Today, we reveal what truly makes this the most technologically advanced transport aircraft in existence. The journey begins with the airframe, a heavily modified Boeing 747-8. While commercial liners are built for efficiency, this machine is built for survival. The interior is stripped down to the bare metal. Engineers install miles of hardened shielding designed to withstand the electromagnetic pulse of a nuclear detonation. While other planes would fall from the sky in darkness, Air Force One's electronics are shielded to keep running through the apocalypse. Unlike a fighter jet, its mission is not to attack, but to survive. Hidden within the wings are advanced electronic countermeasures. Sensors constantly scan the horizon for heat signatures. If a missile is launched, jammers blind enemy radar, and flares burn hot to distract heat-seeking warheads. It is designed to be untouchable. The goal is simple: ensure the commander-in-chief is never compromised. Step inside, and it becomes the Oval Office in the stratosphere. With 85 onboard telephones and encrypted radios, the president can command armed forces or authorize a nuclear launch while cruising at 40,000 feet. It even includes a fully functional medical suite with an operating table. It is self-sufficiency on a level no other aircraft can match. Perhaps its greatest engineering feat is its endurance. Air Force One technically never needs to land. With mid-air refueling capabilities, it can stay airborne indefinitely, circling high above global threats. It is a symbol of power projection and the safest place on Earth. This is Air Force One. In the next part, we will take you inside to reveal the hidden weapons, secret technology, and classified features of Air Force One.